Hey Charlie Vloggers, here today with my cat, and today I'm gonna be vlogging about talking about my cat, about one cat I have. So today, oh my god, he's fucking biting me. Today we're gonna be talking about my cat. Poor cat. Right. Cat. So yeah, guys, Charlie Vlogs and Games. Wow. My new YouTube channel. Remember that one was Carlos Zaps? So yeah, so I'm gonna talk about my cat. He's 2 months or something, he's not that big. And he's a boy. His name is Lulu. So it has a camera. Okay, no, he'll run. So yeah, we found him on the street. When I was taking my visa to go to the United States, that when you So yeah. So my first video was in Spanish because I was with my cousin Foxy Gamer. So yeah, so go subscribe to his channel, Foxy Gamer. So I'm gonna be doing this vlog in English, only English, because I'm not doing the vlog in Spanish. So guys, I'm gonna show you something real funny. I don't know if it's that funny, kind of funny. So you see this bed right here, where my sister sleep. Ignore my family is the YouTube channel. What the heck? So yep. So my dad told her that this was good to sleep. So this what happened last night. She had a bad sleep because this is not even that calm. You see, it's so flat. So you can see it. It's flat. It's flat. Look. Okay. Today's notification goes to Foxy Gamer. He helped me with the last video to edit. And yeah, notification because he was my first subscriber. If you like the video, which I'm gonna finish it right now, because it was a little vlog about my cat. And not that, I didn't really talk about my cat. If you like the video, thumbs up. If you didn't like it, thumbs up. Subscribe that button, and bye.
I'm drunk, you're not. Faded on another level, about to leave the spot. Ripping down off the walls in the party, but I'm